Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's time to set up my bullet journal for the month of July, so that is what I will be doing in this video. For the theme, I really have been enjoying a lot of vintage style art journaling pages recently, so I thought I would try that style but in my bullet journal this month and see how it goes. So you will see me using a lot of scrap paper and craft papers along with some really aesthetic washi tapes that I got from the washi tape shop, and if you're interested in any of them at all of their links will be in the description. Starting with the cover page, I am just trying out different kinds of layouts with all of the paper that I have until I'm happy with how it looks. This style of journaling always lets me play around with the paper and all of the different layouts, and it does not have to be perfect, which is what I love about this style. In fact, I think that it looks a lot more better when it's not perfect. But one thing that I would advise if you're going to try out this style is that do not stick the paper to your page until you're absolutely sure about it, and try out as many layouts as possible like I did here, and only then start pasting them to your page. So after the layouts are done, I'm decorating them with my grid washi tape set. I had this camera cutout lying around, so I pasted it on the other page, and I also wrote making memories with a white gel pen because I thought it went with the camera cutout, and I just thought that it went along with the theme at the time. For the title page, I just wrote Hello July, and I kind of made a mistake, so I'm just covering it with this beautiful washi tape, and I think this one is my favorite out of all of the washi tapes I own. And I also made a little mini calendar to go over it, and that's my cover page done. For the monthly page, I just wanted a simple full page calendar decorated with washi tapes and scrap paper, so that is exactly what I did. If you have been watching my previous bullet journal videos, you know that I have never used washi tapes like these before, and now that I have started using them, there is no going back. They just make it so much easier to decorate your pages, especially when you're feeling lazy to do your bullet journal spreads. Since I was going for a more vintage aesthetic, I thought using my stamp set would be a great idea here, and I didn't really like the title that I made before, so I made a different one with my stamps and I just covered it up with a new one, and that's it for this page. Next, we have our trackers page, and I'm going to include my to-do list for the month in this page as well. And I decided to ditch the sleep tracker because it wasn't really helping me in any way, and I only like to track things that help me or things that I really do in real life. And I have given up on changing my sleeping habits, so I will just be skipping that for this month and just stick to my habit trackers and a mood tracker. Even in this page, you can see the washi tapes just brighten up the entire page, and they just make everything come together, you know? For the mood tracker, I'm just making a mini calendar where I made little circles and I'm just going to doodle in emojis according to my mood every day. And that's it for my trackers page. For my weeklies, I decided to do a Dutch door theme again because I find myself actually filling in my weeklies regularly when I do this style for some reason. Maybe it's because I set up for the whole month in the beginning of the month, so it's easier for me to just fill it up instead of setting up for each week. I'm just making a basic Dutch door style with 10 days on each page, and that's basically it for my weeklies. Finally, I made a highlights page for June and I loved filling it in. I usually fill in my bullet journal at night before I sleep, and since I filled in this page at the end, it made me remember the most positive thing that happened that day, so I always ended up feeling a little bit better. If you haven't tried a spread like this before, I would really recommend it because it really makes you look at the good things and helps you have a positive outlook in life. I realized I didn't fill it in every day, so I just made a few lines for this month so that I can put in all the highlights of the month. And that's all of my spreads for July, so here's the final flip through. I really love how this theme turned out, and I definitely need to give credit to the washi tapes. As I said before, all the links will be in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like if you did. Make sure to subscribe for more content because I try to post a video every week, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!